welcome back. Happy Monday. I hope you all are having a wonderful day and had a fabulous weekend. So as you can see from the title down below, today we're doing Ipsy versus Ipsy. Yay! So last month was the first month I did this and I am really liking it. What I did, instead of doing what some others do where they do a completely different profile, I did the exact same profile on two different accounts. I kept obviously my normal account and then created a new account with the exact same profile to see if they really do go by profile and if they really do match. So we're gonna see what I got for both bags. Now, if I do end up getting any duplicates, I'll put them into a giveaway, or to the side for a future giveaway, so might work out for you guys. But I do want to say, if you are not familiar with Ipsy, it is a $10 monthly subscription and you receive a cute little bag every month with 5 items in it. Now, those items can be sample size, deluxe sample size, and even full size items. And again, because this is a personalized subscription, you can tell them, I like this, I don't like that, I prefer this, I don't like this color, things like that, and they do their best to go by profile. Now, lately they have been killing it as far as matching profiles. So I'm gonna hope that they continue. Like I said, it's only $10 a month, so if you have not signed up, I will put a link down below. They do also offer their Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is $25 a month, and you do receive 5 full-size items. And y'all, I just did my unboxing. If you did miss that, I will definitely have that either in the cards up here above or at the end of the video. I'll have it there. It was like $244, I think, or it's 200. It might have been 200. It was 200, and I paid $25. It's amazing. Both are amazing. I will never. This was my very first subscription, and I will never let it go. So I'm gonna dive into these in just a second, but first I do want to say welcome. I did forget that part. So welcome. Thank you so much for being here. It means a lot. If you are new, please do consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you. And if you're returning, welcome back. Make sure you do go ahead and leave a comment down below telling me what you think. Do you think they followed profile? You know, what did you get? Are we bag twins? Let me know down below. And also just tell me how your day's going. I love hearing from you guys. And if you enjoy the video, please do give it a big thumbs up. That does help me out. Also, I want to remind you guys, today is Monday, August 12th. So tonight at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have 2 giveaways ending. We have our Jeffree Star mystery box giveaway that ends and the 3-month subscription giveaway to Rebecca Mayo. So make sure you head over and enter those if you have not already. Now, let's go ahead 3 minutes into the video and get into our Ipsy bags. So this is my original. This is the one I've had for years and love. So we'll start with this one. Like I said, it really doesn't matter because they are both the same profile, but who doesn't love getting this beautiful pink package in their mail? I know I do. All right, so we pull everything out and check. Yep, because sometimes they put stuff, I've actually got a couple things outside of my bag. All right, so put that down right there. This is the bag this month. It's like a green pleather bag. Not my favorite Ipsy bag by any means. I mean, it's okay, but they have definitely had much cuter bags. But it's a bag. So let's open it, and they've been putting cards, which I really appreciate. I want to say it was back in like February that they started doing this, where they tell you like the theme and then they go over the products you receive in your box, which I think is amazing because they didn't do that before. So the theme this month for August 2019 is Bear Yourself. This month, use your 5 glam bag picks to celebrate and highlight all the things you love or are learning to love about you. Hashtag Ipsy Bear Yourself. All right, so I'm gonna start with the two items that were outside the box. So the first one is a brush, which I'm super excited about. You can never have too many brushes. And this is obviously full size. So that is awesome. I can already tell this is an SL Miss Glam brush because of the packaging. Now it looks like I'm missing a rhinestone, but that's okay. It doesn't affect the brush. It is super cute. It's in my favorite color, teal, and it's so cute. So it's like an angled eye brush. This is great for getting like right in here. Let's see what they say. So yes, the SL Miss Glam E61 Angled Shadow Brush, created by YouTuber and beauty guru Stephanie Lewis, SL Miss Glam, is known for unique eye-catching makeup brushes. They had us at the beautiful emerald green and glitter handle, but this synthetic bristled brush hugs the contours of our lids and blends pigments like a dream. So I don't know that I would call that emerald green. To me, that is definitely more of a teal, and I am okay with that. I think it's gorgeous. So yay for item number one. And then the other item outside the bag, oh, there's two in here. Awesome. Now, if you have been following me, you know one thing I love and a way to my heart is sheet masks. And I got a set of two. Yay! So we have Rest Recipe Peach Mask and Rest Recipe Blueberry Mask. Ooh. I don't know if I've ever had a peach or a blueberry mask. Let's see. We got two. So that's two full-size items technically. Camelico is the brand. This K-beauty brand is known for its organic, innovative skincare products made from 100% natural cotton. This set of blueberry and peach infused and scented, awesome, mask moisturize, revitalize, and clarify your complexion while delivering healthy nutrients to your skin. Oh, yay, I'm excited. So this is a vitalizing and this is a clarifying. Yay! So that's two full-size products. Now we're gonna get into the bag. And I have it's Suva Beauty eyeshadow right here in barbecue is the color. Barbecue? All right, so even though this is a single shadow, to me, this also qualifies as a full-size item because it is a full-size single shadow. Oh, and that is a pretty color. I would not have expected that with the name barbecue. It's like a really shimmery, pretty purple. That is gorgeous. I'm not going to swatch this because I typically do not reach for single shadows. The only single shadows I really reach for are like the ColourPop Super Shock shadows. Even though I think this is absolutely gorgeous, I probably have this color in a palette. So I'm gonna put this back in the box for one of you guys. So that will be in a future giveaway, but let's see what they say. Easy to apply, opaque, water resistant. Honestly, what more could you want in an eyeshadow? This cream/powder hybrid formula delivers all of that and then some. Plus, the plum foil finish shade is so fun for all of your end of summer looks. So yeah, it is a gorgeous shade, but I'm still thrown off why the name is called barbecue when they even reference it as a plum color. But so that'll be put to the side for one of you guys. And then, woo, this is like a Smurf sample. I haven't seen a sample this small from Ipsy in a long time. However, this is from IT Cosmetics. It's the Confidence in a Gel Lotion, oil-free for all skin types. Hydro plumping, skin transforming, weightless moisturizer, 72-hour hydration. So that is a tiny sample, but like I said, it's from IT Cosmetics, so it is probably pricey. Made by plastic surgeons and dermatologists, this brand's clinically tested products are highly effective and healthy for your skin. This oil-free lotion is made with ceramides and cactus flower extract to smooth skin, prime before makeup, and hydrate for up to 72 hours. Wow. So this is a facial moisturizer. I'll probably set this to the side for a giveaway just because I have so many moisturizers. And I'll let one of you guys try that. So I still think it's a great product. So my final item. Oh, is this another full-size item? This is from Ipsy, New York, All Day Lip Cream. And this is, it says, luxuriously textured cream lipstick with full coverage and long-lasting wear. Cruelty-free, paraben-free. Let's take a look at the color. And I have gotten into bullet lipsticks, which this is, a lot more lately. I just feel like, and I actually have on the Becca bullet lipstick right now, and I just really think that they seem more moisturizing. They do last. I just seem to like them better, but that's a whole nother video. But Ipsy, New York, All Day Lip Cream. This is what the outer packaging looks like. Beverly Boulevard is the name of the color. Oh, yes, ma'am. It's actually pretty similar to what I'm wearing, but that is okay. That is so pretty. Yes. I'm so excited about that. So it says, this creamy moisturizing lippy glides on to coat your lips in full coverage, high impact color that lasts all day long. The deep rose shade works on all skin tones and looks fab at work, on the town, or wherever your day might take you. I love that, and that is a great transition shade for going into fall, so I'm so excited. So in this bag, we got the 2 sheet mask, the full size Ipsy lipstick, we got the SL Miss Glam eyeshadow brush, we got the It Cosmetics Gel Lotion Facial Moisturizer, and the full-size single eyeshadow from Soothe Beauty. So we got 4 out of 5 full-size products. Awesome. Not to mention a bag. So let's go ahead and get into our next bag and see how close they were. Okay, so I can already see, obviously it's the same bag, the same green bag, and the tassel does say Ipsy, as most of their tags do. So I can already see we got the same sheet mask set. So I will be putting this to the side for one of you in a giveaway. So off to a good start. Definitely matching my profile. They know I love masks. So again, the card is the same, Bear Yourself, and it tells us our products. So let's just pull out. Oh, okay, yeah. So I put on there that I love brushes. So I did get another brush, but it is not the same. So yay. This is actually the Luxie 237 blending brush, and I believe this is from the Dream Catcher. Can you guys see that? The Dream Catcher collection. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Luxie Beauty Periwinkle Blending Brush 237. This brand's known for creating high quality brushes that are always vegan and cruelty free. This handcrafted fluffy eye brush is just the right size and shape to seamlessly and precisely blend any shadow formula from cream to powder into your eye crease. Awesome. So far we're almost 2 for 2. We got the exact same mask. We got another brush. It is different, so I'm excited for that. And it's a Luxie brush. Yes. And then let's see. We got We got another one of the Confidence in a Gel Lotion samples. So they are clearly going by profile. Then we got, oh my gosh, are you serious? We got another Suva Beauty eyeshadow. However, this one is in a different shade. This is in turmeric. So I'm going to take this out and show you guys. Again, I'm not going to swatch it because I will set this to the side for a giveaway. If I can open it. Okay. So this is in turmeric. Oh, so this is the outer. Y'all, look at that. That is gorgeous. That is a really pretty color. But again, I probably have a palette that has something so similar. So I would love for one of you guys to enjoy this. But let's see what it says about this one. Gold foil. So beautiful. All right, so we have one more product in our bag, and it is the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara in Bryn right here. It's obviously in black. I'm not going to take this out of the box. I did actually receive the full-size version of this in last month's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and that's probably why this bag got it, but my normal profile, I was on like eyeshadow or mascara overload. So I actually contacted Ipsy and they did give me the option to permanently opt out of 2 different types of products, which I thought was amazing. So I did permanently opt out of mascara and nail polish just because, even though you can't tell right now, I get my nails done. So it's not really something I would want in a bag or my Glam Bag Plus. So since that was on my regular account, this is okay because this was my other account, even though I do have mascara listed as rarely, but this is an amazing mascara. I will put this to the side for one of you guys to try as well. So they literally matched 4 of the 5 products. 3 of them were identical except the shade of the eyeshadow was different. Then I got another brush, just a different one. And then we got the mascara versus the lipstick. So I think they did a fantastic job matching my profile. What do you guys think? Were we box twins? Did you get any of these items? Let me know. Like I said, I've got some eyeshadows now, the mascara, the It Confidence gel lotion to put aside into my giveaway pile for a future giveaway. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to enter those 2 contests. They do end tonight as well, the 15th. So just in a couple of days, we have our 4,000 subscriber giveaway ending. So make sure you head over and enter that. That one is really awesome. So that one's got like a Michael Kors purse, Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and tons of other goodies. So don't forget to enter that. I hope you guys have a wonderful Monday, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.